Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
The snow is piling up again up at the Crater Lake Visitor Center, likely from this storm system. Going to see up to 2 feet of snow when all is said and done. We have a band of pretty steady rain and high elevation snow working through southern Oregon and northern California. Back behind this is the main cold front that's coming through. We're still going to see more rounds of mainly widespread and scattered rain and higher elevation snow showers overnight into tomorrow. So we're still going to be dealing with some wet weather and wintry weather in our higher elevations through your Tuesday. Seeing that wintry mix and snow levels are dropping, and they're going to drop to about 3,000 feet tonight. Road conditions still looking good, but expect roads to get slippery and snowy in many of our higher elevations as we head into tonight. Pretty widespread rain and snow impacting Siskiyou County, and you can see some of those showers back towards the coast. So current temperatures 37 degrees in Klamath Falls. Not really sticking on the roads, that snow at this point. Amounts in Klamath Falls and for the city of Mount Shasta should stay fairly light, mainly less than an inch. 48 degrees right now in Medford. It's 46 in Brookings. It's been a pretty chilly Monday, especially compared to average, and winds have been a big story as well, especially along the coast. Sustained out of the south at 30 miles per hour in Gold Beach, getting gusts up to 38 miles per hour. We will see some pretty windy conditions as well in the Shasta Valley, into Lake County as well, under some wind advisories and a high wind warning for the coast. We've already seen some gusts up over 55 miles per hour in Port Orford. So tonight, look for wet weather, gusty winds, especially in our higher elevations and in the Shasta Valley. We will see those snow levels dropping to about 3,000 feet. We have winter storm warnings in place, mainly along the Cascades north of Highway 140. That's where the heaviest snowfall amounts will be and the biggest impacts on travel. That winter storm warning through 5 p.m. The rest of the Cascades and Siskiyous under a winter weather advisory. The Chemult area, some of the higher terrain of the east side under a winter weather advisory, and higher elevations above 5,000 feet in western Siskiyou County under winter weather advisories through 2 p.m. tomorrow. Here's a storm total snowfall amounts. Significant snow for the Cascades, up over a foot for Diamond Lake, pushing 2 feet potentially in Crater Lake. And then notice some of the higher passes east of the Cascades getting upwards of 2 to 5 inches of snow. Lighter amounts for Klamath Falls as well as Mount Shasta, traced to an inch. About 1 to 3 inches expected at Siskiyou Summit, and 6 to 10 inches up at Mount Ashland. Tomorrow, we're going to continue to see some wet weather working through the region. Gusty winds along and east of the Cascades. Temperatures well below average, but you will notice shower activity becoming a bit less numerous in the afternoon, and we'll see some breaks of sunshine as well. Could even see a rumble of thunder along the coast with some of this shower activity through the day tomorrow. But tonight, you can see those snow showers impacting along and east of the Cascades, higher elevations of Siskiyou County. This carries into tomorrow morning, but you'll notice as we go through the afternoon, starting to see that rain and snow shower activity tapering just a bit, and then things will dry out for tomorrow night. Maybe a lingering snow shower Wednesday morning along the Cascades. Roads could still be a little bit slick and slippery with colder temperatures. Black ice will be a concern in our higher elevations as we start Wednesday, but then Wednesday afternoon, skies generally turning partly cloudy to mostly sunny in the region, and then brighter skies on Thursday. The Rogue Valley, a cold start, but the afternoon getting into the 60s. So we're going to say goodbye to these chilly temperatures, and the trend is going to be much warmer late this week into your St. Patrick's Day weekend. We're talking highs getting into the 70s in the Rogue Valley, and then 60s expected in the Basin. Take a look at these 7-day forecasts for the coast. We'll be getting into the 60s. Lots of sun Thursday and Friday. For Northern California, more rain and snow shower activity tomorrow, but you'll notice that big uptick in temperatures for this weekend. St. Patrick's Day looking beautiful. Great weekend to get outside. The Klamath Basin, the mornings are going to stay cold, but the afternoons will be getting warmer. Highs in the 60s by this weekend. Up in the mountains, travel pretty difficult through our higher passes, especially the Cascades for tomorrow. But then notice we're going to be melting some snow with sunshine, warmer temperatures into the weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, expecting still some chillier days, colder mornings as well later this week. But then those afternoon highs rebounding nicely with temperatures topping over 70 for this weekend.